So here I'm selecting my website. This is my website. Suppose this is a static. My website will be dynamic like olex.in. olex.in. This is a dynamic website. So this kind of dynamic website, which hosting will be preferable? Which hosting will be preferable? That is called, we can select option called any hosting depended by the reseller hosting. That is called, we can select by the, you have the any limited domain, select by the limited domain option. But here the select only option call is reseller. Suppose that is called, if you go only for one domain, so my domain is only one, then you can select it by the unlimited hosting for shared hosting. Why? I have only for one domain. I need to not earn any amount through hosting. Through hosting. So this is the price. One domain, 165 rupees per month. When you purchase for 3 years, when you purchase for 1 year, the cost will be how much? 213. Now again select for here. 213 into 12 months. 2556 into, we can call 540. Sorry. 2556 plus 540. This is your, along with tax, this is your price. How much? 3096. Here, this is only for your dynamic website purpose. Here, no profit, no loss. Means when your business will be gained, your profit will be started. So business will be zero, your profit will be zero. Why? It's a single hosting. You're only for your domain purpose. If you are ending with the hosting is called, option call is reseller, and go for in this unlimited space. Dynamic always go for unlimited space, limited domain and unlimited space.
But sir,
suppose
how do we know that this website is dynamic or this website is...
So I'm selecting option call is, in this website will be called unlimited hosting, with the option call is limited domains. So always, if you go for dynamic website, select for unlimited space. Dynamic is called every day you can increase the content size. So that is called always is the dynamic. Always is the dynamic. So this dynamic will be using for this package. Please note down the package name. WHMCS reseller hosting. These are the very important hosting. So one selected by reseller, one is called Linux, Unix, and PHP, HTML, WordPress related hosting. Next one, they selected by the Windows hosting. Why? Because we can creating for dynamic websites. So dynamic website is suitable for the Windows and reseller hosting with WordPress and multiple platforms. The platform will be using for your cPanel. These are platforms. Remember, reseller hosting not supported by the Windows. Windows hosting not supported by the Linux and Unix hosting. Unix and Linux will be called reseller hosting. Windows is called .NET hosting. Is not supported by the PHP website, not supported by the HTML, not supported by the WordPress. They support only for reseller hosting supported by the multiple platforms, except OpenCart and Windows. OpenCart website supported by the Windows hosting. Windows supported by the .NET website. Please note down. So final line, I'll give the simple and I will give you. If you go dynamic website, one is called limited domain, unlimited space. Domain increase and unlimited space. Go for 200, go for unlimited space. Reseller is only suitable for dynamic. In Windows or reseller for Windows and WordPress also. Set only for dynamic website purpose. So this is called suitable by the reseller package for multiple platform. If you set only for one platform, one is WordPress, second will be called Windows platform. That is the reseller package from the dynamic websites.